weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Doppler Dave Oliver.
Welcome, friends. Thanks for checking in with us. Hope you're having a great day. Here's what we're tracking weather-wise. We've had kind of a steady stream of higher level clouds across the area, so it's not perfectly sunny, but it is a nice warm day for January. Hard to believe. We have folks up around 70 degrees, if not warmer. 71 for the metro area. You get down to Childress, 77 degrees. Now we have a few folks that are in the 60s, but even that running, a good 15 degrees above the normal. Here's the story on the wind. It's creeping up. In fact, it's accelerating pretty rapidly. Today, about the western two-thirds of our area, sustained winds, 25 to 30 miles per hour, and especially down I-40 from Amarillo out to Tucumcari. We've been gusting near 40 in Amarillo. Tucumcari has been gusting 40 to 45 miles per hour. And I really hate to say this. This is only a taste of things to come for tomorrow. We think winds are going to intensify over the next 24 hours. So we're going into a first alert situation for tomorrow for the impacts that will be associated with that strong wind. Let's talk about travel, blowing dust, loose objects blowing around, and of course we're going to have to throw in some wildfire danger since it's so dry. So tomorrow's just one of those days that not going to be very fun to be in our area. We have high wind watches out here across the good part of the area, and then a wind advisory in the north and eastern part of the area. We will all have a blustery day. The strongest winds should be confined, again, to the western half of the area. Satellite conditions, there's the clouds we can see today, just kind of high and thin, but as we zoom out a bit, notice what we have out here in California, moving into the Great Basin. That's a lot of rain, some snow in the mountains, so that's the low pressure that we're tracking. Unfortunately, we're not going to get the rain, we're not going to get the snow or the moisture. We are going to be on the dry side of this, and looks like all that moisture just stays off to our east. So this is not a storm that's going to bring rain to our area or snow. What it will do is put us in the wind field that circulates around that low pressure, and we're talking about those sustained winds tomorrow, 30 to 35. We could gust, though, up to 55 miles per hour for tomorrow. So it's one of those days, some folks might even gust 60. First alert tomorrow. We've got more for you coming up on Live at 5.